And so, to begin with, we will create several objects in Blender, so that we can show an example not on the fingers of the hand. Monkey, cube and torus, we will have enough. As we add a camera, and setting the distance and angle from our objects, we can press the key combination, Ctrl+Alt+Num0. This will instruct the camera to fix the position that we currently have. Having set up the composition, you can proceed to the modifier. Go to Modifiers and choose Solidify. In the thickness parameter, set 0.005. And having selected the rest of the items and at the end indicate from which you want to copy the data, press the combination, Ctrl+L. And choose to copy the modifier. Next, add a color, and also set some parameters in the BSDF principle. Transparency, twist to the end. Roughness, remove completely. We will also copy our material to other objects. Now we can choose other colors for different objects. In principle, this is all for me. If you have any questions, I would be happy to answer them in the comments, or you can find me on other social networks. It was nice to be with you. Subscribe so as not to miss anything.